Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Elkhart County, Indiana, eastern St. Joseph County, Indiana, Cass County in southwestern Michigan, western St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Cassopolis to Lakeville. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicator, attacked, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Chillicothe, Goshen, Three Rivers, Napanee, Georgetown, Gullavoyer Park, Granger, Dunlap, Simonton Lake, Middlebury, Osceola, Constantine, Cassopolis, Wakarusa, Bristol, Whitehaven, Edwardsburg, and Marcellus. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana. Cassopolis, Wakarusa, Bristol, Whitehaven, Edwardsburg, and Marcellus. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Michigan: Cass and St. Joseph.